What a sad but beautiful little etude. Lots of interesting moments. It's a D minor, key of D minor. And you know, I've always wondered about how I think double stops sound different in minor key that they do in major key. Well, obviously they do, but it's just something about the minor key makes them a little bit more mellow, a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more special, I think. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Anyway, I'm enjoying this little book. I feel like anyone can get some value out of this book. You can download it for free on IMSLP website. It's widely available. It's out of copyright. You can enjoy it, you know, don't have to buy it. But you should consider learning the etudes out of this book. Really, I think everyone can benefit from it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little journey with double stops etudes. And I hope that you're also following me and learning along with me. And I hope that you will consider joining my YouTube channel or my Patreon channel. Either one is fine, but your support is meaningful and really help me keep this content going for everyone. I really appreciate your support. Please consider it. Thank you so much.